This product can offer DC TIG, DC pulse TIG, and MMA processes to weld carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, titanium, and many other metal materials. Intuitive man-machine operation interface, robust functions, various adjustable parameters. This welding machine is designed based on the third-generation high-performance 60 kHz platform developed by AOTAI. The welding machine enjoys robust computing capacity and rapid responding capacity, which can finely control the arc. The welding machine can provide a high stiffness arc, and outstanding stability during welding with low current. The frequency and width of the pulse are freely adjustable within a wider range during pulse TIG welding. Up to 500 Hz pulse frequency, improved welding penetration. Two arc starting methods, HF/scratch to start the arc. Multiple operation modes, 2-step, 4-step, repeat, and spot welding functions for the TIG welding process. MMA enjoys low spatter, stable current, and high reliability.